In this lesson, we'll take a look at how you can utilize the Manage extension within the drawing workspace. Here you can see I've created a very simple drawing for a pump assembly. I have my drawings laid out and my BOM table over to the right hand side. Although at the moment, if I want to check its life cycle state for any component, I would have to manually go into each part and look at its history. For a simple assembly, this may not be an issue, but in this case, we want to be able to see our components change order status more quickly. If we double click on the table, it brings up a number of options that we can display. If I look down the bottom, we can see our Manage extension options that include item number, lifecycle state, revision, and current state. If I check any of these, the information will now be visible in our table. And should we ever need to update our assemblies, these changes will also get reflected in any associated drawings, meaning you do not have to manually enter this data each time you make a change. We can also assign change orders to our drawings, not just components. And with drawing attributes, we can have this information appear directly and automatically in our title block. I'll go ahead and edit this existing title block and remove a couple of pre-existing attributes. I want to now place some of our Manage extension attributes, so I'll open up the command and first select where I want to place the attribute. Then, from the drop-down, I can select the respective attribute I want to place. Once we have these attributes in place, they will now be tied to this particular drawing. And if I now go back and create a change order for this drawing, using the exact same principles as if it were a component, then we can see this information will be updated in our drawing title block. That covers everything on the Manage extension. You should now have a good understanding of what the extension offers and how you can utilize it in your workflow. Thanks for watching.